Learn English Creole conversation for beginners. Apprendre konvèsasyon anglè kreyòl pour débutants. Good morning, how are you? Bonjou, kòman ouye? Good morning, how are you? Bonjou, kòman ouye? I am very well, thank you. Mwen trèbyen, mesi. I am very well, thank you. Mwen trèbyen, mesi. What is your name? Kijan ou rele? What is your name? Kijan ou rele? My name is John. Non mwen se Jean. My name is John. Non mwen se Jean. Where are you going to? Ki kote ou prale? Where are you going to? Ki kote ou prale? I'm going to school. Mwen prale l'école. I'm going to school. Mwen prale l'école. Okay, thanks. Now tell me what is your name. Okay, merci. Kounya dim kòman ou rele? Okay, thanks. Now tell me what is your name. Okay, merci. Kounya dim kòman ou rele? My name is Anna. Non mwen se Anna. My name is Anna. Non mwen se Anna. How is your mother? Kijan maman ouye? How is your mother? Kijan maman ouye? My mother does not feel well. Maman mwen pa pote li byen. My mother does not feel well. Maman mwen pa pote li byen. Didn't you take her to see your doctor yet? Ou pa komene li wè yon dokte? Didn't you take her to see your doctor yet? Ou pa komene li wè yon dokte? No, I'm going to take her this afternoon. Non, map menen li apremidi ya. No, I'm going to take her this afternoon. Non, map menen apremidi ya. Would you go dancing with me tonight? Ou vle al nan bal avèk mwen aswe ya? Would you go dancing with me tonight? Ou vle al nan bal avèk mwen aswe ya? No, I will not be able to go. Non, mwen pap ka ale. No, I will not be able to go. Non, mwen pap ka ale. Why not? Pou Kisa? Why not? Pou Kisa? Because I cannot leave my mother by herself. Paske mwen pap ka kite maman pou kont li. Because I cannot leave my mother by herself. Paske m pap ka kite maman pou kont li. You are right, my dear. I was wrong for asking you to dancing with me. Ou gen rezon manche. M pa demande ou pou al nan bal avèk mwen. You are right, my dear. I was wrong for asking you to dancing with me. Ou gen rezon manche. M pa demande ou pou al nan bal avèk mwen. It's nothing. We will go next time if my mother gets well. Sa pa anyen. Nan va ale semaine prochaine si maman me refait. It's nothing. We will go next time if my mother gets well. Ça pa rien. N'a va aller semaine prochaine si maman me refait. Okay, I will see you later. D'accord, na we pita. Okay, I will see you later. D'accord, na we pita. Will you come to see my mother? Wap vini we maman? Will you come to see my mother? Wap vini we maman? Yes, I will come to see her. Oui, map vini we li. Yes, I will come to see her. Oui, map vini we li. Very good. I will be waiting for you. Goodbye. D'accord. M'a prétan nou. Bye bye. Very good. I will be waiting for you. Goodbye. D'accord. M'a prétan nou. Bye bye. What is this? Kisa saye. What is this? Kisa saye. That is a book. Ça c'est un livre. That is a book. Ça c'est un livre. It is a pillow. How beautiful. Thank you. Li c'est un ouye. À la belle li belle. Merci. It is a pillow. How beautiful. Thank you. Li c'est un ouye. À la belle li belle. Merci. And what are these? E Kisa saye. And what are these? E Kisa saye. Those are spoons. Sayo se Kiyès. Those are spoons. Sayo se Kiyès. Where is my pencil? Kote kreyon mwen. Where is my pencil? Kote kreyon mwen. I don't know. Isn't it in your purse? Mwen pa konen. Eske li pa nan valiz ou wa? I don't know. Isn't it in your purse? Mwen pa konen. Eske li pa nan valiz ou wa? No, it's not in my pocket either. Non, li pa nan poche mwen tou. No, it's not in my pocket either. Non, li pa nan poche mwen tou. Maybe you left it on the bed. Peut-être ou kite sou kaban nan. I don't think so. Look, there it is. Mwen pa panse sa. Gade, la liye. I don't think so. Look, there it is. Mwen pa panse sa. Gade, la liye. Where? I can see it. Ki kote? Mwen pa ka we li. Where? I can see it. Ki kote? Mwen pa ka we li. Under the table next to the chair. An ba tab la bo kote chaise la. Under the table next to the chair. An ba tab la bo kote chaise la. Okay, lots of things. Okay, merci en pile. Okay, lots of things. Okay, merci en pile. Hello, who is there? Bonjou, qui est-ce qui là? Hello, who is there? Bonjou, qui est-ce qui là? Hi, it's me, Daniel. Bonjou, c'est moi-même, Daniel. Hi, it's me, Daniel. Bonjour, c'est moi-même, Daniel. Who gave you my phone number? Qui est-ce qui ba ou numéro téléphone mwen? Who gave you my phone number? Qui est-ce qui ba ou numéro téléphone mwen? It was your son who gave me your phone number. C'est ti garçon ou lan qui ba mwen numéro téléphone ou. It was your son who gave me your phone number. C'est ti garçon ou lan qui ba mwen numéro téléphone ou. Who wants to go with me? Qui est-ce qui vle aller avec moi? Who wants to go with me? Qui est-ce qui vle aller avec moi? I will go with you. Mwen va aller avec ou. I will go with you. Mwen va aller avec ou. Why are you calling so early? Pour qui ça ou réveiller bonnet comme ça? Why are you calling so early? Pour qui ça ou réveiller bonnet comme ça? When will you be back? Qui le wap retourner? When will you be back? Qui le wap retourner? I will be back in 1 hour. Ma retourner dans une temps. I will be back in 1 hour. Ma retourner dans une temps. What time does it start? À qui l'heure li commence? What time does it start? À qui l'heure li commence? It starts at 9 o'clock. Li commence à 9. It starts at 9 o'clock. Li commence à 9. Would you like a drink? Èske ou ta reme yon boy? Would you like a drink? Èske ou ta reme yon boy? Of course. Let's go. Bien si, on allez. Of course. Let's go. Bien si, on allez. Are you ready? Èske ou prêt? Are you ready? Èske ou prêt? Yes, I'm ready. Oui, mwen prêt. Yes, I'm ready. Oui, mwen prêt. Do you understand? Èske ou comprend? Do you understand? Èske ou comprend? Yes, I understand. Oui, mwen comprend. Yes, I understand. Oui, mwen comprend. If you understand and you like today's lesson, don't forget to leave it in the comment below. Si vous comprenez et ou reme leçon jodia, pas oublier quitter en bas dans commentaire. And then subscribe, like, and share the video for encouraging me to come with new English lesson for you. Bye, see you soon. Et puis abonnez, remez, partagez vidéo pour encourager me venir avec nouveau leçon anglais pour nous. Au revoir, à bientôt.